This is a quick start guide for the Excel Skills Invoice template service-based. This template enables users to compile an automated invoice or quotation. It's suitable for all service-based businesses. We also have an invoice template for trade-based businesses, which will include inventory. Let's start with the setup sheet. So you can enter your business name, which is used as a heading on all the sheets and included on the invoice quotation. Enter business address, your business address, contact numbers, sales tax and business registration numbers, and your sales tax percentages. There's 2 sales tax codes accommodated and a third one for exempt transactions at 0 sales tax. Banking details also included for inclusion on the invoice, and input error codes at the bottom of the sheet are for information purposes. If you encounter the input error codes on the details sheet, this is the reason for the error codes. The next sheet is the customer sheet, so you'll create a unique code for each customer, enter their billing details, address, and sales tax reference number. The next sheet is the details sheet, so every invoice will basically be entered on the details sheet. You create your invoice numbers in column A, quote number in column B. Invoice dates can be entered based on your regional date settings. Select a customer code. All the customer codes that have been created on the customer sheet will be available there. Enter a description for your invoice, the tax inclusive amount. You select a tax code, so A, B, or E, for sales tax calculation. You can enter invoice due date, and then initially the payment date will be blank, but as soon as the customer pays the invoice, you just enter the payment date here. So all the columns with yellow column headings are user input columns. Then the light blue columns contain formulas, and these extend automatically as you add entries to the details sheet. So that's for sales tax and the exclusive amount. The other fields are all for customer statement calculations. So let's go to the quote sheet. The quote contains an automated quote. The only user input that's required is to enter the quote number. So that quote number is basically picked up on the details sheet, and then all the other invoice or quote details are completed automatically. So everything else comes from the details sheet, and the customer details comes from the customer sheet. Same principle with the invoice. You just enter the invoice number in this cell, and everything else is automated. Bank details included based on what's on the setup sheet, and your customer details come from the customer sheet. Okay, then the statement sheet, so also fully automated. The only user input is selecting a customer code. So all your customer codes that have been created on the customer sheet will be included here, and your statement date. So you enter your statement date, and based on that, all the aging calculations are updated, outstanding balance, and all invoices that are outstanding will be listed here. So the customer statement is compiled on an open item basis. All outstanding amounts are reflected. Okay, the next sheet is a monthly sheet. So you just enter a start date at the top of the sheet, and it shows sales, your receipts, debtors, balances, and if there are quotations that have been done but no invoices, then that will be shown in that column. So your charts are for monthly sales, monthly receipts, and monthly debtors. Then on the aging sheet, you just enter a customer statement date, and it calculates an age analysis. There's also sales history and balance history with charts. You can run this for the entire business by just not entering or selecting a customer code, or you can do it on a customer specific basis. Select a customer code here, and all the calculations update automatically and reflect only the balances for that customer. The balances sheet contains a detailed age analysis for all customer accounts. This date is based on the date that is selected or entered on the aging sheet. And we've included only the first 20 customers here. You can easily extend it by just dragging this full handle downwards for the required number of rows. And that's basically it. So if you need more information about the template, please go to the detailed instruction sheet where we cover all aspects of the template. You can also go to our support section of our YouTube channel to view tutorials or videos that we've compiled based on user feedback.